So here's how we can join a Zoom meeting on the iPad. So let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it's ideal or crucial to get the Zoom application from the App Store. So if you haven't already, just go to the App Store, look up Zoom, and you will have some options available. Right, so at first you'll see that you can either just sign in with your account if you want to. That would be ideal, but if not, you can just click on add Zoom in on a link. Right, you can click on a join and you'll be able to just paste in the meeting ID. Right, so you'll be able to just paste the link if somebody shared that over to you with your, I don't know, like over a calendar event or over email or whatever. You'll be able to paste in like this and you'll be able to connect it. So as I said, you can technically join a Zoom meeting without an account. So you'll then just type in your name. But if it's actually a bit better to have the account ready so you can just, work and utilize the app much more. So as I said, when you are already signed in, you can start a new meeting or join an existing one, and the join requires the meeting ID. So that is kind of how it works. You can either just create a new meeting or join an existing one. It's not really that difficult or complicated. One more thing though, the meeting could also be like private, so it might require a passcode. So you need to also have access to that. So if the meeting is locked, make sure that you also get access to the passcode. But that's how it works. In case of any further question, let me know in the comments below. It's possible I'll make more videos about it in the future. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.